The living area is designed extremely in a very beautiful way. As you can see, the kitchen is given perfect. Your master bedroom again is extremely spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today I will be revealing you the sample flat tour for Urbanized Whispers of Sky by Urbanized Projects LLP, which is located in Sholinganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Now, before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project, and right behind me, this is your marketing office and that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platforms where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly shared with the developer, giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Coming over to the project overview. Urbanized Whispers of Sky project is an ultra luxury residential project which is spread across 6.09 acres, offering, you see, the project features 4 towers with 2 basements plus ground plus 1 stilt and 24 upper floors, housing 623 premium residences, premium 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus 2 toilets and 4 BHK apartments. Now, coming over to the amenities, the project offers 100 plus world-class lifestyle amenities, such as a 30,600 square feet luxury clubhouse, swimming pool, kids pool area, state-of-the-art gym, wellness zone, indoor games, tennis court, basketball court, and many more. Now, coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Sholinganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. As you can see, this is your connectivity for the road. Now, the nearby connectivity OMR IT corridor is only 5 minutes away from here. Sholinganallur Junction is also 5 minutes. Velachi is only 12 minutes away. Chennai International Airport as well, 35 minutes away from here. So now we'll be doing the actual sample flat tour for Urbanized Whispers of Sky for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 1590 square feet. Now, as we enter, we have this 8 feet tall doors which will also have proper lock-in system. Now about this lock-in system, you can add your fingerprint here which will have your code and all of that. Coming to your first area, which is your living area. As you can see, the living area is designed extremely in a very beautiful way, in a very spacious way. As to add, you can add extra couches here. There are proper electric units given on each side of your living area. So you can add your TV there, and on the side corner of your door, you can also place your extra bookshelf because there's a small space given there, or you can design it as your living storage. Now, right in front of your living area, there's an extra other space given to turn it into your dining area. As you can see, both the sides of the dining area are extremely spacious, so you can add a long dining area here as well. Apart from that, there are small corners given, so you can add extra dining area storage, your kitchenware, or anything as you like. Now, right in front of your dining area, you will have your balcony. As you can see, the balcony of this specific place is extremely spacious. Both sides of the balcony have enough space to add extra plants or to add tables and chairs. And in front of your balcony, you have another space to add your plants or whatever you like. And you can also have a great view from the outside. Good amount of sunlight and ventilation from all over the house. Now, right very close to your dining area and your living area, the house is designed in such a way that your kitchen is exactly close to it. As we enter the kitchen, there is a first corner space given for you to add your puja corner. So you can turn that into your puja corner or design it however you like. And then we enter into our kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is given perfect height ceiling, and the entire house is made up of proper Italian vertified floor tilings. Now, the kitchen again has a window system given over here for a good amount of ventilation and lighting, and as you can see, it is placed right in front of your basin, so it is easy for you to get good amount of ventilation. Your kitchen also has an attached dry balcony kind of thing. It is not really a balcony, but another open space for you to add washing machine. Now this space is extremely large. As you can see, there are 2 washing machines added, and we still have open space on the other side. You can add your microwave over here, an extra washing basin area, and extra storage area here on top to be added both sides. So you can use that for adding your kitchen storage. Now we'll be moving into our first bedroom. As you can see, it is extremely close to your balcony and your dining area. So this is your first bedroom, and you can see your first bedroom again is very spacious and has a lot of designings given on each side of your room. As you can see, some of the sides are made up of wooden proper flooring, and again you have your vertified floors. The storage unit space again in the room is designed in a very nice way. So you have your wardrobe system extremely huge from one corner to the other, and your bedroom's window system again is also extremely large, and it is designed in a very safety purpose way. As you can see, the railings have been added, but it is also in a balcony way, so you can open the door or close it, and so if you want, you can turn this into your kids' room. Now, this room again has an attached washroom. Now, the attached washroom is also made of proper Italian floorings, and it has a good ventilation system, proper shower system given, lighting system. And the good thing about your mirror is that the mirror also has like lighting system. So if you want, you can click and you can add your lightings here and arrange it. Now we'll be moving into our second bedroom, which is again very close to your living and your dining area. The good thing about your second bedroom is as soon as you come forward, you will have a common area for washing. So that can be used for your guest or anyone as you like, and a common washroom which will be just opposite to your second bedroom. The common washroom again is extremely spacious. So this can be used by your guest, and there's proper ventilation and shower system given in this washroom as well. So this is your second bedroom. The second bedroom storage space is designed in such a way that the corners are given on both sides of your room. So this side you can add your extra wardrobes or whatever drawers that you like, and that side can be used as your study table, your drawing table, because right in front of that you will again have your window system, which is again made with proper railings, and your windows can again be open. So this again will have good amount of lighting and ventilation. The closet system is also extremely large, and as you can see, the height ceiling in this room as well is extremely spacious. So you have large wardrobe spaces which will fit in a lot of room storage. Now, before we move into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. You see, as you go to Housey's website, you will notice that we provide you all the information about the project. We also give you proper actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will also find the pros and cons of the project, EMI, down payment option, exclusive pricing details, and we also give you a virtual 360 tour. And if you want to book a site visit, you can click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can just go to Housey's website, which is www.housey.com, and you will find everything there. Now, moving into our first bedroom. As you can see, your master bedroom again is extremely spacious, and it is designed in a very unique way because each side of your room is made in such a way that you can add extra room storage. For example, this side of your room, as you can see, you can add your couch, or even if you want, you can add a small table and chair over here and turn this into your walk-in closet, or if you want to turn it into your small study room, you can design it that way as well. And this again comes with the same safety system and an open balcony system. The height ceiling in this room also is extremely spacious with proper vitrified flooring. And then this side of your room again given with proper electric units, and to add extra drawers on both sides of your room with your wardrobe included. Now your master bedroom comes with a very spacious attached washroom, which again has proper flooring system done, shower system done, ventilation given, and your mirror, which will also have the lighting system. So you can change the colors however you like, design it however you like. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for 3 BHK of urbanized Sky Whispers of Sky. Hope you liked the videos. For more such walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.